Welcome to Daily New Drawings. Hello everyone, welcome to the Daily New Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color Pocoyo and Pato on a seesaw. Let's start drawing. I'm going to draw Pato. I draw his big eyes like this, and a hat on his head and beak. I draw his neck, his wings, and finally his two legs. He is sitting on one side of the seesaw like this. And now let's draw the middle of the seesaw like this. Pocoyo is going to sit on the other side. Let's draw Pocoyo. I draw his eyes, his nose, and his smiling mouth. I draw his face and the shape of his head. He is wearing a hat. Let's draw his body. With his two arms and his hands, he is waving his hands saying hello. And his two legs. I really like seesaws, do you? Excellent! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this drawing more beautiful and lovely. Let's color his body. First I color Pato. I colored the hat with dark green. As Pato is a yellow duck, I use this yellow marker. I use orange for its beak and legs. Let's color Pocoyo. I color his hat and outfit with blue. His skin will be cream. And same for the hands. Finally, I color his zipper yellow. For the seesaw, I use this dark brown marker. For the rest of the seesaw, I use purple and parrot green marker. If you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.